I'm picking my Shein order right now. They have called me that the package is right outside here, so I'm on hurry, you see. I'm going to pick it. Wow, the delivery man is not in our place. I think he is somewhere else. I was frustrated and went back home, but as soon as I reached home, the delivery man told me again that he is right at our place. So I was hurrying, I was on hurry going back to the street to see whether he is around. And yes, he was around. I'm still here waiting for him, figuring out where he is, but he's around. You see this? Guys, I'm finally receiving my package. I have finally received my package from Shein right now, and I'm going to unbox it today. The long-awaited package is right here. I feel so happy. I feel so happy. Yeah. I can't wait to unbox it. Hi guys, let us unbox my Shein package right now. I can't wait. Hi everyone, here is my Shein package. As I promised you that we shall open it together in my other video of unpacking my bags. Here is my Shein order. Finally, I'm unboxing it. It is open for some reasons, but hey, let me show you what I have in the box. Okay, if you are new to my channel, please endeavor to subscribe, and if you are my old beautiful subscriber, I love you so much. Let us do this. I'm putting them down so that you may have a clear view of what I did order. So I'm starting with this. This is mine. They are lingalis. I think they will fit. Let me see. Let me measure myself in an African way. Yes, it will fit. This is the white one, the yellow one, and the pink one. Then I have this one. These ones are bras. And then I have this one. It's a bag. These are for my kids. Then got this one for me. This one is for my son. My son is making 3 years in December, and I have been here for 2 years and 5 months, so I'll tell you the reason why, but not now. For now, just know that this is for my son. He's going to be making 3 years in December. So yeah, I think it is cute, and it also has these ones. And this one, the long sleeve, and also a bow tie. I love them, and I think my son will like them so much. There is also this one. Also for my son. And a shirt. This one is also for my son. It is a combination all white. Yes. I also got this one for my daughter. My daughter is going to be making 5 years in March next year. For now, she's 4 years and some, let me see, from March up to September. March, April, May, June, July, August, September. Yes, for now, she's 4 years and 6 months, and this is for her. There is also this one for the waist. For my daughter. There is also this one for the head. It is for the head here. I also got this one. They are headphones for me. Like that. These ones are headphones. I love the color so much. I haven't yet figured out how they work, but I'll figure them out. They also have a charger. It is here. There is also this one. This one was also mine. It is a sweatpant. How is my choice, guys? I think I'm making good choices. Yeah. I also have this one. But this one is for someone important in my life, so I'll not show you. I'll not open it. Yes. I got also this one for me. This is a sweatpant, green one. And also this sweatshirt. Yes, I think I don't know, maybe I will use this one with this. These are pants and this is a sweatshirt. Or I will see them like this. I don't know, I'll see. I also got a bottle for myself. You know, I like taking water so much and I can't take 2 hours without taking water because here it is too hot, and I think maybe I'll be doing the same even when I'm going to Uganda, maybe at the airport, maybe somewhere else. So I got this bottle for myself. Wow. And then I got this one. This one, it is a selfie stick. It will help me in my vlogs. Yes. I will see how to use it. I will see. I don't know how to use it so far, but I'm going to figure that out later. But it is a selfie stick for myself. It will help me to shoot my vlog. Yes, that's it in this one, in this pack. I will see, it is actually long, but I haven't figured it out how it is working. And also it has these stands, it can stand on ground, but I haven't figured that out. When I figured it out, I'll see what to do. I also have this. These are shoes. I'm not sure if they will fit me. Let me first try them on. Yes. Look at this, guys. I liked so much this pink flower. You know, anything pink. I like anything pink, so I like this flower so much, and it's fitting me. It has these ones, the laces are white, and it also has other these ones, the pink ones. Wow! I have this one, the bathing sponge. I'm taking it to Uganda. Right here now I have this one. I'm taking it back to Uganda. I'm going with it to Uganda. Yes. Then I have these. These are for my nieces. I hope they will like them. I hope. I thought that these bags are a bit bigger than this, but I think they will work. Then there is these ones. They are watches for the kids. Yes. There are also this one is blue, this one light pink. I ordered 2 boxes. These ones are the same like this. And then there is this one. Wow, let's see. This one, it is a light. I put it on my phone to provide light, maybe when I'm taking a video or a selfie like that. But I don't have a second phone, so I don't know how to show you. I don't know. Let's say that this is your phone, you just put it like here, then it provides light, and this is its charger. So guys, this is how basically this light works. After pressing it on your phone, you turn it back like this, then you press here, then the light will come. Then you take your selfie or a video like that. It's like this. Then after I switch it off like this. Then I have this one. This one is lip oil. So I tried this lip oil on my lips and I noticed that it changes colors. When you put it on, it is like lip gloss. Then after it changes to some light pink, then it goes up to red, as I'm going to be showing you guys. And that's all. I think that's all what I ordered for. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new here, please endeavor to subscribe. Go ahead and subscribe. Subscribing is free. Please just subscribe. Let us hit up to 1,000 subscribers. And if you are my old beautiful subscriber, I love you so much. It means a lot to me if you watch my videos and then you come back for another one. That means that you probably liked my other videos, so keep watching as I keep improving on the content I do give you guys. I'm about to go back to Uganda. Remember that. That's why I'm preparing all this. I still expect some other packages because I have to buy some other stuff for myself, because I know when I go back to Uganda I'm going to be just resting like that. So I want to buy some of my things, most of my things this side. So yeah, let us wait also for another video. Also, let us interact in the comment section. Give me your comment, your views. Let's interact. Like this video, it will help me so much for my channel to grow. Okay, thank you so much again. May the Almighty God bless you so much. Bless everyone who's watching this video. May the Almighty God bless all the hustlers in the diaspora, because it is not easy. Yes, most times it gets really hard to work from here, but with God's grace we do work. So may God protect you, all hustlers out there. May God see you through, and may God bless everyone who is watching this regardless. Yes, thank you so much. I love you so much. I can't wait to be back to Uganda. Bye bye, my loves.